This video is all about fixing RAM-related performance issues and boosting FPS in your games. If your system is experiencing stutters, frame drops, or slowdowns because Windows is holding back your RAM, this video will show you step-by-step tweaks to optimize memory usage, clear unnecessary processes, and get smoother, more stable gameplay. Make sure you watch until the end for all the tips, and hit subscribe for more PC and gaming performance guides. Let's get started. So guys, in the first step, we focus on a hidden Windows feature that is called memory compression to squeeze unused data inside your RAM. It adds extra CPU load and background processing. By disabling memory compression, you allow your RAM to operate more freely. To apply this optimization, open the Start menu and type PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator, which opens a command window with full permissions. From there, head to the video description, copy the provided command, paste it into the PowerShell window, and press Enter. This command turns off Windows memory compression safely. If the feature is already disabled on your system, nothing will change, so there is no risk at all. Once the command runs, you can close PowerShell. With memory compression disabled, Windows stops constantly reshuffling RAM in the background, which helps your system deliver smoother gameplay, fewer stutters, and a noticeable FPS stability boost, especially on systems where RAM was silently holding performance back. Now guys, in the next step, we apply a lightweight registry optimization that directly supports the idea that your RAM is limiting your FPS. This tweak helps Windows handle memory more efficiently while gaming, reducing background interference that can lead to stutters and inconsistent performance. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Registry Editor. Then right-click on it and run it as admin. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. This will open the registry editor, where these changes will take effect at a system level. Once inside the registry editor, copy the exact registry path linked in the video description and paste it into the address bar at the top. Then press Enter. In that location, look for a value named Large System Cache. Double-click it and change its value to 1. Then confirm by clicking OK. This setting allows Windows to prioritize memory allocation more efficiently, which can improve data flow between RAM and the system during gameplay, helping reduce FPS drops caused by poor memory handling. After that, find another value called Clear Page File at Shutdown. Open it, set the value to 1, and click OK. This ensures that Windows clears the page file every time the system shuts down, preventing leftover memory clutter from building up over time. Cleaner memory management means your RAM starts fresh on every boot, which helps maintain smoother performance and reduces long-term stutter issues. Close the registry editor and restart your PC to apply everything. After rebooting, your system should feel more responsive in games, with improved frame stability and fewer RAM-related hiccups holding your FPS back. Alright guys, now we are optimizing your paging file, which plays a huge role in fixing stutters when your RAM is limiting your FPS. If this is not configured properly, it can cause lag spikes, sudden stutters, and inconsistent frame pacing during gaming. To start, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Once it opens, type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. This will bring up the System Properties window. Head over to the Advanced tab, then under the Performance section, click on Settings. In the new window, switch to the Advanced tab again, and under Virtual Memory, click on Change. This is where we will manually optimize how Windows uses virtual memory. Now, uncheck the option that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your C drive, or whichever drive Windows is installed on, choose Custom Size, and manually enter the values. A solid rule is to set the initial size equal to your installed RAM and the maximum size to double that amount. Here's how to calculate the values clearly. Open the Calculator app on Windows. Make sure it's in standard mode. Since we have 16 gigabytes of RAM, type 16 times 1024 and press equals. This converts your RAM from gigabytes to megabytes, giving 16,384 megabytes. This number will be your initial size for the paging file. Next, to get the maximum size, take that same number and multiply it by 2. 16,384 times 2 equals 32,768 megabytes. This ensures that your paging file has enough space to handle memory spikes without being too small or unnecessarily large. Enter 16,384 for the initial size and 32,768 for the maximum size. Click Set, then OK, and restart your PC to apply the changes. When your system boots back up, Windows will manage memory more efficiently, resulting in smoother gameplay, fewer lag spikes, and much more stable FPS, especially in RAM-intensive games where stutters usually appear out of nowhere. Now guys, if you're struggling with lag or high ping in your games, Gear Up Booster is the ultimate fix. Here's how it works.
To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let Gear Up automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using Gear Up Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS.
Now guys, over time, Windows builds up junk files, cache data, and temporary system files that quietly consume storage and increase background disk activity. When this clutter builds up, Windows ends up working harder in the background, which can trigger lag, RAM stutters, and inconsistent FPS during gaming. Open your Windows settings, then click on System and select Storage. Under the Storage section, click on Temporary Files and allow Windows a moment to scan your drive. Once the scan finishes, select all the available options except Downloads, unless you are sure you want to clear that folder as well. After that, click Remove Files and Confirm. The cleanup may take a few minutes, but it frees up space and reduces unnecessary background operations that can interfere with smooth gameplay. Next, scroll down in the same storage menu and enable Storage Sense. Set it to run daily or weekly, depending on your preference, and adjust the cleanup options so Windows automatically removes unwanted files in the background. Keeping Storage Sense enabled ensures your system stays clean over time without manual effort. By reducing disk clutter and background load, Windows can focus more resources on your games, resulting in smoother gameplay, reduced RAM-related stutters, faster load times, and more stable FPS in every session. Alright guys, next we'll disable a few background services that use disk and RAM even when idle. This extra load can cause stutters, lag spikes, and lower FPS during gaming. Turning them off frees memory and lets your system focus on your game. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for Services. Then, open the Services window. Once it loads, press the S key on your keyboard to quickly jump to services starting with that letter. Look for a service called Sysmain. This service is meant to improve app launch times, but in many cases, it causes high disk usage and background activity, especially on mid-range or lower-end systems. Right-click on Sysmain, select Properties, set the startup type to Disabled, then click Apply and OK to save the change. Next, press the W key to move down to services that start with W. Find Windows Search, right-click on it, and open Properties. Set the startup type to Disabled, click Apply, and then OK. If the service is currently running, right-click on it again and select Stop to end it immediately. This prevents Windows from constantly indexing files in the background and using up RAM and disk resources. Disabling Sysmain and Windows Search significantly reduces background activity and lowers constant RAM and disk usage. With fewer background processes fighting for resources, your system can dedicate more power to your game, resulting in smoother frame pacing, fewer stutters, and a noticeable FPS improvement during gameplay. That's it guys, follow these tweaks to fix RAM stutters and boost your FPS. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming performance tips.